Welcome to this tutorial on how to add an EveryDollar debt snowball. The debt snowball method is a popular strategy for paying off debt. And EveryDollar is a budgeting app that helps you manage your finances. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to add a debt snowball to your EveryDollar budget. First, you need to have an EveryDollar account and be logged into the app. Once you are logged in, navigate to the debt section of the app. Here, you will see a list of all your debts, including credit cards, loans, and mortgages. To add a debt snowball, click on the Add Debt button and enter the details of the debt you want to pay off, including the balance, interest rate, and minimum payment. EveryDollar will then calculate the total interest you will pay over the life of the loan and the payoff date. Next, you need to prioritize your debts. The debt snowball method involves paying off debts with the smallest balances first, while making minimum payments on the rest. To do this in EveryDollar, click on the debt you want to pay off first and select it as the priority debt. EveryDollar will then calculate the amount you need to pay each month to pay off the priority debt, and you can adjust this amount as needed. You can also set a target payoff date and track your progress over time. As you pay off each debt, you will see the balance decrease and the payoff date get closer. Once you have paid off the priority debt, you can move on to the next debt on the list, using the same process. Best practices for using the debt snowball method in EveryDollar include regularly reviewing and updating your budget to ensure you are on track to meet your debt payoff goals. You should also consider consolidating debts with high interest rates into a single loan with a lower interest rate, and avoid taking on new debt while you are paying off existing debts. By following these steps and using the debt snowball method in EveryDollar, you can create a plan to pay off your debt and achieve financial freedom. Remember to stay disciplined and patient, and you will be on your way to a debt-free life.